Today unboxing is the latest Tomica Shop Honda Civic Type R FK8. I'm also going to compare the Type R with the 2018 release in first color. And now let's take a closer look at the Tomica Shop Honda Civic Type R FK8. The outer box design is quite unique for 2020. It comes with a gold background because it's Tomica 50th anniversary, which you can see the logo side by side. On closer inspection, it does have some difference between this casting as compared with the mainline back in 2018. Plastic insert headlights, Tomica Shop logo, and also a plastic spoiler. Just like the rest of the FK8, no opening parts with a standard factory suspension. If you have missed out the first color in 2018, this is a very good option. And when compared with the 2018 mainline, you can see for the front there's no visible difference. There's a slight difference in the body color hue. View set wise is totally the same except for the difference in color and also the additional Tomica Shop livery. Back is totally identical and also the spoiler is the same. Overall, there's no visible difference. This is just another repeat casting from Tomica in my opinion, and it's good to have if you have missed out your 2018 first color or to complete your Type R FK8 collection. More Tomica unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!